Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today we're going to do a walk around of this 1995 Nissan Cushion Forklift, model number KCPH02A25PV, ID number E009998. Now this forklift has a base capacity of 5,000 pounds and it runs on LP. It has just over 8,700 hours and it has three-way hydraulics. Coming up to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. Max height on this is 187 inches, and you have your hang-on side shift. Now this forklift will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Let's take a look at these tires because these are brand new black solid deal tires. On the front you have black traction cushion tires, and on the rear you have the black cushion smooth tires. Coming up here to the front, we have headlights as well as turn signals. And we have this brand new seat. On the back, you'll see that we have a blue strobe light. Now I'm going to fire this up so you can take a listen, and I also want you to see those lights. See those turn signals there? And there are our headlights. This is a great truck. If you are looking for something economical for your business, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available as well as other features that you need to know about.